Example, human hand yes Madhya, you can't see
Human
hand hath hand HAND hand.
okay.
Flipper of whale. Flipper of whale. So इसमें क्या बताना चाह रहे हैं कि if you observe the picture, they will seem that बाहर से तो ये बहुत ही अलग है, but इनका bony structure और इनके जो joints है ये बहुत ज़्यादा similar है. किस में similarity है? Human hand में और एक whale के flipper में. उनका internal जो structure है hand का ये same है. This is what they want to show in anatomical evidence, which proves that there is a similarity in these animals' common ancestry. Okay, so we stop over here. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Welcome, ma'am.
Good afternoon. All of you are there? We had given some sums for homework. Anybody has any difficulties in those sums? If not, then we will proceed further. First, whatever we had done, those sums, that exercise that was given, उसमें जो भी difficulty है आप लोगों को please पूछ लो. किसी को भी कोई difficulty?
Sir,
Anyone?
3.2 का सर 3.2 का फिफ्थ सम.
3.2 का fifth sum.
हाँ.
Okay. You didn't get it.
Yes, sir. I didn't get it.
Let's get a chart 3.2. Fifth sum. Find the 27th term of the following AP, correct?
Yes, sir.
So Arman says find the 27th term of the AP 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6, minus 11, so on. Okay, this was the question. That is what you have learned, correct? So let's proceed. Okay. Here, what is A? A is given to us as the first term. A is 9. What is D? D is 4 minus 9.
-5.
4 minus 9 is, yes, minus
-5.
5. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. So that is what it is.
5.
Okay. And we have to find now the 27th term. That is n equals to 27. We have to find
T27.
A27.
TN.
Okay. Sorry, T27. We have to find Tn. That is T27. That is what we have to find out.
Fine.
So now the formula, as we all know, is simple. An or Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 d. Tn we have to find out. T27 equals to A, that is 9, plus n, that is 27, minus 1, and d is minus 5. So 9 plus 26 into minus 5, that is 9 minus 130. 9 minus 130. Which is 121 minus. I think this sum we had done in the class the other day. Though I had asked you to do for homework, the same sum
Yes,
we had
sir.
done in the class the other day, where T27 we had solved was, Arman, you're not paying attention, that means. That day when we did this sum, I had said we have
Yes,
done
sir.
1 or 2 sums from the exercise. जो
Yes,
किया था
sir.
वही नहीं किया, ध्यान दिया आपने. चलो कोई बात नहीं. Okay, now let's proceed further unless you have any other difficulties. Anyone else has any difficulties? If not, then we will proceed further. Okay. So now, as I had explained to you, we are going to look at, we had seen that formula also, Sn equals to, isn't it? Wherein, Roshan, Google was giving you the answers, isn't it? Sum of numbers 1 to 100 and all those things we had seen. Okay. So let's see how to solve those sums. So now, how to find sum of n terms of an AP? How to find sum of n terms of an AP? The formula we had seen was Sn equals to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 b. Those of you who had not written it, missed it, whatever, please write it again. जिसने लिखा है, well and good. This is the formula for sum of n terms, okay, which is what is the last. In fact, इसका एक और formula है, but that is it. So this is the formula that we are going to use when we are going to solve the examples, to solve the sums based on this. Sn equals to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. All of you have written this formula? Then we'll proceed further. So let's first find out. If I want to find the sum of first, okay, sum of all numbers, right now, find the sum of all odd numbers from 1 to 150. Find the sum of all odd numbers from 1 to 150. Find the sum of all odd numbers from 1 to 150. Sum of all odd numbers from 1 to 150. So first odd number is 1. Second is and so on. 150 is an even number. So before that, the odd number is going to be 149. Okay, so we have 1, 3, 5, 7 going up to 149. This obviously is an AP because everywhere the difference is of 2. Everywhere the difference is of 2. So here we get A equals to 1, B equals to 2. Up to 149. Up to 149. Up to 149. How many numbers are there in this AP? That is what we have to yet see. Okay, we don't know how many numbers are there. We are yet to see those, how many are there. So that means we have to find n, because for Sn we need n upon 2, 2a, ये तो मिला है, n minus 1 d, d भी मिला है. What is missing is n. n कितना है ये हमको पहले पता करना है. So first, using this, we are going to find out n. We'll say last term or an is 149. So n equal to question mark, and also we have to find Sn equal to. So first, to find n, we are going to say Pn equals to a plus n minus 1 b. Pn is 149. 149 equals to 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. Expand 149 plus 1, sorry, 149 equal to 1 plus 2n minus 2, that is 149. Just hold on for a minute. Just copy it. Yeah. So 149 equals to 2n minus 1. Bring this minus 1 this side, will become 149 plus 1 equals to 2n. 150 equals to 2n. 150 upon 2 equals to n. Therefore, n equals to 75. Therefore, n equals to 75. Till here, are we clear? Got n equal to 75. Okay. So this part is addressed n equal to 75. Now, using this, now that we have found out n is 75, using that, now we find out Sn. The formula for Sn remains the same. Sn, n we have found out is 75. So S 75, that is sum of 75 terms in this AP, equals to n by 2. N is 75 upon 2 into bracket 2a, 2 into 1. In fact, first you will write down the formula. Sn equals to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. S75 equals to 75 upon 2 into bracket 2 into 1 plus 75 minus 1 into 2, which is 75 upon 2 into bracket 2 plus 74 into 2, which is 75 upon 2 into bracket 2 plus 148, which is 75 upon 2 into 150, which is 75 into 75, which is 5625, which is 5625. Is this clear?
Sir, can't see your video.
Sorry?
Sir, can't see your video.
No, from here it is active, but आपके end पर देखो कुछ हुआ होगा. From my end it is very clear. So sum of first 150 तक के odd numbers, sum of odd numbers up to 150 is 5625. Please copy this. Then we are going to look at another sum. Okay, here what we have done is the numbers that they had asked us sum of all odd numbers up to 150. So first we wrote the AP, which is 1, 3, 5, 7 going up to 149. Since it is an AP, A is 1, B is 2. The last term that we know is 149. But what is that term number that we don't know? We have to find that out. So we've written n equals to question mark. And of course the question said find the sum. So Sn also has to be found out. Using the formula Tn equals to a plus n minus 1d, we have first found out n. Substituting the value of a and d, we have found out n. Using the value of this n, we have substituted in the formula Sn. Okay, so from there we have then got S75 equals to 5625. S75 equals to 5625. Till here clear? If you have written this, then I'm going to give you a next sum, which you all can try for a minute. Otherwise, then I will show it to you. Find the sum of first n odd natural numbers. Find the sum of first n odd natural numbers. Find the sum of first n odd natural numbers. Find the sum of first n odd natural numbers. Now what is n? They have not given us. This is an open-ended this thing. That means we have to find a general formula for n odd natural numbers. Find the sum of n odd natural numbers. Here when we say natural numbers and odd, it begins with 1 and 7, so on it will go. So again here A will be 1, B will be 2. Okay, and since there is no last term, they have not told us up to 150 or up to 500 or up to 700, so that continues. So we are not going to use this formula. We are directly going to use the formula for sum of numbers. What is the formula? Sn equals to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. Sn equals to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. This is the formula that we are going to use. Then Sn, n upon 2 we do not know, so n upon into bracket 2a, a ka value is 1 plus n we do not know, and D is also, D value is also, substitute, we'll have n upon 2. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into n is 2n. 2 into minus 1 is n upon 2 into bracket plus 2 minus 2 will cancel. This will be 2 to Sn equals to n square. Sn equals to n square. Is this clear? Sum of n odd natural numbers. Now, if they tell you up to 75, like we did last time, 75 natural numbers, 75 square, which would be 565. So here you are not going to get any number because they have not told you up till where. Here you will just get some equation. Sn equals to n square. This is how you're going to solve this. Copy till here, then I'll send you another link. In a minute, we'll be disconnected. So I'll send you another link. Till that time, please copy this. We have a minute. Please copy this. Anything you have not understood till here, please ask. Because after this, we will be doing few examples and then we'll be starting with the word problems. Yes. Yes.
Sir, your direct SN का formula कैसे लिए? मतलब.
Sorry.
Sir, yeah, direct SN का formula.
हाँ, SN का formula use किया ना. SN equals.
Direct.
Sorry, come again.
Sir, ये तो पहले वाले सब में हमने TN से end होने के बाद.
TN से yes sir. There we were given the last term. They said up to 150. यहाँ पर they have not given us the last term, so we don't know n is 50, n is 150, n is